Cooking oil can be used again, but with caution. Here are some things to keep in mind. 1. Number of reuses. The number of times you can reuse cooking oil depends on factors like the type of oil, how it was used, and how well it's stored. Generally, you can reuse oil a few times before it starts to degrade. 2. Signs of degradation. Look for signs that the oil has gone bad, such as a dark color, a strong unpleasant smell, or smoking at lower temperatures than usual. 3. Filtering. Straining the oil after each use can help remove food particles, and extend its lifespan. 4. Storage. Store used cooking oil in a cool, dark place to prevent rancidity. Remember, reusing cooking oil too many times can lead to the formation of harmful compounds, so it's important to discard it when it's no longer suitable.